Hi, welcome back to my channels, guys. This is an unboxing reveal of my Tetra water heater. Okay. Open the bag. Got my handy scissors. Let's see. Okay, just got some things from eBay, Amazon. So eBay, Amazon. In the bag right now, here's my Tetra HT10 50-watt submersible heater. I don't know if you can see that. Let me move this up some. There we go. Again, that's my Tetra HT10 50-watt submersible heater. Okay, open this up. It's gonna come in the packaging. So all neat and compact. I have instructions of how to use it. And here is the heater. Very simple. Here we go. It's very simple. Cord coming out of it. You just put it. See this back here, but you put it in the tank at the back, closest to the bottom as possible. Make sure it's submerged fully up under water before you plug it up, and you're all set to go. So yeah, you have the suction cup on the back of it to suction cup it to the back of the fish tank or wherever part you would like it on your fish tank. But most people put it at the back. So yes, that's my unboxing of the Tetra HT10 50-watt submersible heater for my 10-gallon fish tank. So can you please like, subscribe, and rate this video? Thank you.